Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the auto rotate on your Android phone. So all you have to do is just rotate it and it'll go to the landscape mode. So sometimes this can be somewhat annoying if it's not working. So what you want to do on the top is just simply go to the top right, scroll on down, and we're looking for an option called auto rotate under here. So we can just scroll on over. Here it is, auto rotate. Here's this button. So we can just turn this on. Now, most of the time when you turn this on, it's for apps, it's not for the home screen. So if we hold down on this, we can see auto rotate. Okay, so this Google Pixel still doesn't rotate. So you can still get to landscape mode if you want. If you hold down on the home screen here, go to home screen settings. At the bottom, we have landscape mode. The annoying thing on this Google Pixel is it doesn't turn off. So we have to turn it off manually when we don't want it on. Is it going to work now? So we can go back. But on my Samsung phone, it's pretty legit. It actually works. So if we go to the home screen mode, settings, scroll on down, rotate landscape mode, we can turn this on and off right there. Then go to the top right and go to that specific button. And we can just hold down on here too, and we have the option on here. Show rotate button at the bottom of the screen, lock screen, home screen. So we have a home screen turned on too. Now we rotate it and go to that screen. So we try that out. I don't think there is an option to hold down the button on this one. So all the phones are going to be a little bit different. So those are the options for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.